Hello everyone, in this video I am going to discuss our Indian education system. A system in which out of 100 graduates, only few are getting jobs and others are unemployed and underemployed. And also out of 100 engineering students, only 4 to 5 students are getting the jobs, others are unemployed. Even after a child studying in government school for 5 to 6 years or 10 years, even though they have the English language in their school, after coming out, they can't communicate properly in English. What is the reason behind this? Is our education system based on the marks obtained or the knowledge basis? No doubt, definitely our education system is becoming commercialized. If a country wants to focus on its development and growth, definitely they need to check the education. Let's study the case our Indian education system. India preaches it wants to be fully literate country, but it is so saddening to see India among the lowest literate countries of the world. Indian system does not focus on research part. It wants its students to obtain marks itself. Marks आया तो वो ही बढ़िया, सब खत्म. They give more importance to marks than the knowledge. And they inherit the already done researchers, carry them forward without applying their own logic and analysis. Another main thing is they do is cramming before examination. Teachers demand students to mug up things and cram their courses because they need good name for their college. It is no more of understanding and gaining knowledge. If we go back to our school days where we thought a plus b whole square, even today many students don't know what is the real use of a plus b whole square in our life and where we will use it. They just do is copy paste and mug up the things. They will get good marks and their parents also happy because they got good marks. मेरे बच्चे को 100 को 100 आ गया. That's it. And they will pass out and they will go for higher education and they complete graduation by mug upping things, seeing here and there. I am not talking about all the students. It is only about our education system. After coming out as graduates, many of them are unemployed and underemployed. And after coming out of graduates, they will change their ways into different sectors. Some may move, if they did engineering, some may move to banking, some may move to railways, some of them become something else. This is what happening in our education system. Even today, it is not changed. There are still parts of India where there is no education imparted to children even today. That's one of the major flaws in the system of education in India. As we all know, Indian education system has vast syllabus. This is the major issue, major problem we have. We have vast syllabus which really doesn't let the student to study by right means of education, because they will mix up everything, every course, and they will say to study everything where he can't focus at all and he will fail definitely. And he can't develop the skills, right skills, and there will be no knowledge for him and he will just fail. And in our education system is so competitive and causes stress and pressure, and we will be waiting for success in our education. How it will happen? How you are able to think that you are going to be successful? Because you all going in the same way, same track. If everyone is going in the same track of education, how can they become successful? If they are not giving importance to their creativity, for their skills, for their knowledge, how can they come up? How can they change our system which we have today? It should be changed, and it will change one day. If we come to government schools in India, no celebrity, no cricketer, no political leader child will be studying in government schools and colleges. Most of them will prefer private schools and private colleges instead of government schools and government colleges. Why? Even though the teacher come to the class, they will teach what they need and they will sit silently. The students will be roaming here and there, and teacher sometime may be sleeping. Isn't it? If they are not sleeping, if they are teaching perfectly, why there is no progress hike in the government schools? Every year you can see the government schools progress. There will be no hike. There will be no increase in their progress. It will be same as every year. Because most of the poor and middle class families will go for government schools, and most of their parents will be illiterate. They won't ask, they won't come to the school, and they won't ask the teachers what the students are doing, what the children are doing, and how they are teaching. That's why the teachers also won't teach correctly. They're getting money, they're getting salary monthly, they are happy, they're sleeping. Why they need about the children? The school, let them study what they know, isn't it? This is what happening in our society, in our education system, even today in the government schools. This need to be changed, and government need to take steps in those schools happening like this. Every year they need to check the progress of every government school. If there is no hike in the progress, they should observe and they should take the steps to increase the progress in government schools. Mostly students in India are taught and have a mindset that after completing a certain level of education, they should find job and they should settle. There is lack of awareness about how to pursue more knowledge and less cramming. Knowledge is very important to lead the life. This system of education should be changed in India, and government need to take steps over it. It will benefit the students who are going out to pursue higher education will decrease. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe my channel.